In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment in Odoo, step by step. Whether you're new to Odoo or looking for a refresher on this essential accounting task, this guide will walk you through the process in a streamlined and straightforward way. First, let's begin by navigating to the accounting app within your Odoo interface. If this isn't already familiar, you can find it typically among the several other productivity applications on your Odoo dashboard. The accounting app is your primary portal for managing financial transactions, so having it easily accessible will be beneficial beyond just making payments. Once you're in the accounting app, the next thing you'll want to do is to click on the vendors menu. This section is specifically designed to help you interact with your suppliers and manage the financial aspects of your vendor relationships. As you manage different vendors, having a quick way to access all related transactions is vital. After selecting vendors, go ahead and click on Bills. This will bring up a list of all the bills you need to manage. Bills are essentially records of what you owe to your vendors, and reviewing these can give you a clear picture of your outstanding liabilities. This is an important area to check regularly to keep your accounts payable up to date. Now look through the list and choose the specific bill that you want to process the payment for. Selecting the right bill is crucial, as it helps ensure payments are made for the correct invoices, keeping both your books and your vendor relationships in good standing. It's a good practice at this stage to double check details to confirm you're processing the right one. With the appropriate bill selected, you'll notice there is an option to pay. Go ahead and click that. This step starts the actual payment process. Here, the system begins prompting you for details related to your payment method and settings. Next, you'll need to enter the necessary payment information. This includes the payment method, amount, and any additional details your organization might require. Accuracy here is critical to ensure funds are directed correctly, and it helps minimize potential errors that might require future reconciliation. Once everything is filled out as needed, proceed by clicking Create Payment. This button will finalize your intentions and move the process toward completion. At this point, the system should process your input and adjust your records accordingly. Finally, you'll see the bill marked as in payment or as paid. This update in status is a clear indicator that your payment has been successfully initiated and accepted. And there you have it, a seamless walkthrough to making a payment in Odoo. Following these steps not only helps you pay bills efficiently, but also keeps your financial records precise and clear. By regularly engaging with this process, you'll maintain an updated and orderly accounting system within Odoo. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.